Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday Fun Day. Today is also that other special day, Mother's Day. So I just wanted to give a tribute, a shout out to all the moms today. I'm sharing with you this lovely card. It was Happy Mail this week from a lovely friend recognizing Mother's Day. Is that not just darling? Super fun card, a great way to give a gift card and still use that as part of your card front, home decor or card decor. Okay, but today I am featuring some projects using the Color and Contour stamp set. Now, this was the first stamp set that popped out for me to purchase in the brand new catalog, because in case you missed it, the annual catalog is now live. So beautiful. You can see I've got all kinds of things flagged in it already, but I just wanted to share with you the Color and Contour, which is on page 98. Again, I think it's the words that popped out for me, the lovely script, but also because it is so amazing. So you're absolutely amazing. Here for you now and in better days ahead. So very happy for you and thank you for everything. And that's what today's cards are. It's thanking all the moms out there for everything they've done for us. Oh, and let me show you too. It's featuring the designer series paper from Hand Penned. These are lovely cards. So this stamp set, although it's not directly related to the Hand Pen suite, it coordinates just nice. And so in fact, I now need to get this stamp set because of all the possibilities with the flowers and how it coordinates with the paper and the Color and Contour set. So let me show you the designer series paper first. Hand penned, this is what it looks like. Beautiful color samples. So it's all flowers on one side of the paper, but then you have lovely colored patterns on the other side. So maybe you're not a flower fan because there's a lot of people out there that aren't. Fun fact, I am one of those people. But more and more that I stamp with all of these products, I'm slowly becoming accustomed to flowers. And in fact, this is going to shock some of my team out there. I ordered another stamp set that was flowers yesterday. And so wait to see some projects with that. And then these are all the color coordinating colors that go with the designer series paper. So in case you're trying to figure out what card stock to use, what card base, this is a great way to keep yourself organized. And fun fact, I just posted all 16 papers on my Etsy store. So go check it out, Stamping with a Twist, if you want to get your hands on these samplers. Okay, but we're here for the cards. So let's make a card. Before I show you all the projects, we're going to just make a card first. Again, I will post all of these measurements in the Facebook group, but I've started out with a piece of cardstock. It should be 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm just scoring that in half. And I'm taking a piece of fresh freesia. So this is cut to 3 3/4 by 5. And I've actually ran it through the cut and emboss machine. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got texture. So I think that's what this is called, Lovely Textures Embossing Folder. Might be wrong, but it just gives it a little bit of finish. It makes it look like a textile. Super fun. So I'm just adding some of my Stamp and Seal to the back. I just need 3 strips. I don't need to cover the whole piece of cardstock. And then I'm going to mount that in the center. Wonderful. And so now that designer series paper that I showed you, here's a piece that I've cut out using the contour dies that come with the bundle. And it's a beautiful scalloped and stitched edge. So fun. I'm going to use some dimensionals on that to make it pop. So oh, and do you see the other side? The other side is purple too. You fancy. But I'm just going to put 1 dimensional in each corner, 1 in the middle, just to keep the form how it pops. And I should be using my other tool to peel all those off, but that worked just the same. Here we go. We're going to pop it. And then we are going to stamp. Uh-oh, I just realized I don't have my stamping paper. Just 1 sec. I need to grab it. Okay. Here's some paper to stamp on. Okay. So I think for this one, I'm going to use black ink. This is just the Memento ink. And I'm using the thank you for everything. And I'm just going to stamp that right in the middle. Like that. Perfect, done. But I also want to stamp a little flower just to give it a little bit of extra. So in case you haven't seen the stamp sets, they're now coming with the images on the inside of the case, which is absolutely fabulous for mounting your stamps to without having to go through all that crinkle paper. So I'm using my So Saffron. I'm just giving it 2 pinches, snip and open. And I'm going to stamp the flower that's in here, the beautiful long stem, but I want to stamp off. I'm going to stamp off twice because I just want a very light image. And I'm going to stamp over top like that. Don't know if you can see that, but it's just hidden in the background just to give it a little bit of color. So I'm just going to put those aside. Bring this back. Now I've pre-cut to 3 3/4 by 4 inches. Some more of that designer series paper. So again, it's double-sided. It's flowers on one side, pattern on the other. And I am going to snail that down, but first I need to add a little bit of color. So the Peony stamp set, which believe it or not I own, but it's only for the scallop. Here's a little scallop that I ran through the die cut machine as well. And I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on the bottom here. And I'm going to mount that to the back of my pattern paper, like so. And now that that's on there, I'm just going to put more adhesive. I'm going to line this up so that this goes to the edge here. And voila. And then I'm going to take some more soft succulent, this beautiful shimmery ribbon that's new. I love that. So I'm just going to take a piece of that ribbon. I'm going to snip off a chunk. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to layer this back and forth, like I'm just making a little weave of the ribbon, just like that. But then I need more dimensionals because we want to pop that up. We want that dimension there because it just makes it look fabulous. Peel that off, flip that over. Now I'm just going to line this up kind of to there. Poke it, but then we need to add some bling. So here are some beautiful rhinestones. Sadly, they're already on back order. In fact, I think you can't even order them at the moment. So hopefully they come in again soon because they just make this card look fabulous. What do you think? Thank you for everything. So because this is such a good card design, it works well with all of the colors. So we've got the fresh freesia. We've got it in garden green. Isn't that beautiful? With a bit of misty moonlight. I'm loving those color combos. Then we have it in pale papaya. So fun. And then again, in the misty moonlight mixed with the soft succulent. This is a new color with a little bit of So Saffron to make it pop. So I hope you enjoyed that card. Super easy to make. And again, how you can interchange it. Give it a try with your own designer series paper. But I'm hoping that these will make great mom cards. I'm going to pop these in the mail to a few of my dear mother's friends. For those of you who are not aware, we lost my mom about 1.5 years ago. And so I did these projects with her in mind. Here is a lovely 12 by 12 scrapbook page as a tribute to mom. I thoroughly encourage you guys to try this. Go find the colors that work with you. Try this layout. And please post them underneath the photo when I go to post this in the book, because we'd love to see the pictures or the projects you've made. But I just wanted to highlight, we used the Pale Papaya 12 by 12 cardstock that's in the In Color collection. Of course, this is the designer series paper that I just showed you at the beginning. And then using the same embellishments I did for the cards, I did down here across this square. So I hope you can see that, again, using the So Saffron DSP. This time I used a punch though, the same punch, but I used the words "you're absolutely amazing" because she was. This is the fun new shimmer paper, glimmer paper actually, that comes in all the new fun colors. This is the ombre blue paper, which goes really well with the misty moonlight. And then of course we've got our scallop border from that peony set. And then here is the flower from the contour, color and contour set. So it uses the collection as it does the background stamping. And then using Peaceful Moments, the always remember, I think is lovely. But check out this little designer series paper. Do you see that back there? That actually comes from the new Host DSP stack. Yes, there is a wonderful, wonderful designer series paper stack. I think it has 40 or 48 pieces of paper to it that you can earn for free as a host or a hostess. So check that out in my online store because it's super fun. And again, it's Misty Moonlight, so it matched everything. So I hope you enjoy that scrapbook page. And then I'm gonna give my stampers a sneak peek. So we've got bingo coming up on the 15th. And when you register for bingo, there is always a bonus gift when you register the night of the bingo. And so everyone who registered the night of the last bingo for this month get a special gift. And I thought I had to use this very same stamp set. So look how cute that is on the ombre little baggies that are now in the new catalog. You're absolutely amazing. I used the Evening Evergreen stamp to match the bag. And then of course the polished pink, which is so beautiful, and a little bit of the soft succulent ribbon. And that's for their lovely garden gift for Garden Bingo. Super fun. Anyways, I just wanted to share how you can also do 3D projects with that. If you're interested in bingo, I actually ordered 2 extra kits, so let me know. We still have room on May 15th. And I should also highlight that this month is Card Club, and we are featuring the color and contour. So if you're interested in that, let me know for a kit to go and we can get that bundled ordered from you. But otherwise, stay posted. I will post all the pictures in the page, like I said, with the measurements, so in case you want to replicate the projects. But otherwise, I hope you're doing something special, all those moms out there and everyone else. Enjoy your day, get some stamping in, and have a little fun. That's all, everyone. Have a great day.